want to handle word problems in division. Essentially, we'll be looking at revision exercise 6 of our textbook. And we've selected a few problems we're going to be solving. We'll look at number 4. Number 4 says, share 30 naira. Share 30 naira among Precious, Joshua, and Victoria. The first question you want to answer is, how many persons are involved? So there are what? 3 persons involved. The next thing you want to ask yourself, how many items? There are 30 items, in this case 30 naira. So what will each person get? So one person is going to get 30 divided by 3. And how do you go about this? You read your 3 times. You read your 3 times. You read your 3 times, or you can simply say 3 divide 30, divide 3, that'll give me 1. And then because 3 cannot divide 0, you simply put a 0 there. But at your level, you could do your 3 times. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. And this 5 already. 18, 21, 24, 27, and what? 30. So 3 times 10 will give me 30. So that will be 10 naira. That's for question 4. Now, what does question 5 want? It says put 22 into two groups of what? 2s. So there are 2 groups, or that each group is now what? 2s. And the number of items we are sharing is what? 22. So 1, how many groups are we going to get? So that will be what? 22 divided by 2. One method will be to read your 2 times. And if you do that correctly, you're going to get 11. Another method will be to say 2 divide 2. That's 1. 2 divide this 2, and that will give you another 1. Remember that at this level, you're looking for a way to get your answer as quickly, as surely, as correctly. All right, so this will be 11 for question number 5. In question number 7, we're asked to divide 30 into 2 places. Now, this is the multiple you're going to read. 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4. If you do that correctly, your answer will be 15. But that's not where I want to focus on. I want to try to divide 3, will give me 1. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 is the closest even number to 3. You always pick the number before what is given to you. Now, you discover that 3 minus 2 is 1. So I still have a carry of 1. So I'll bring that 1 here. But that 1 you're bringing here is not a 1. It is a 10. This is the tens unit or tens digit. So anything you borrow from here will come here as what? 10. So this will now be what? 10. So 10 divided by 2 will give me what? 2, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's 5. That will become 5. So that means that 30 divided by 2 will simply be what? 5. Let's go to question number 9. So how do we handle 9? It says a quarter of 20. In this case, it's a chocolate bar. A quarter of 20 chocolate bars. So what does that mean? Look at the denominator. So this is what it means in maths. 1/4 times 20. So what do? You read your 4 times. You read your 4 times. 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 3, 12. 4 times 4, 16. 4 times 5, 20. So that means your answer will be what? 5. So your answer will be what? 5. Now, I think the only new idea you have here is where you have 3/4 of 20 books. 3/4 of 20 books. Now, this will be 3/4 times 20. Here, watch what I'm going to do here. I will start by reading my 4 times. And you discover that 4 times 1, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 4 times 3, 12, 4 times 4, 16, 4 times 5, 20. That's 5. So I will then say 3 times 5 because this 4 is counting the multiples till I get to 20. I have not done anything to this 3 that is here. So when I've gotten that multiple, I'll use that one to multiply 3. And answer becomes what? 50. How? 5 times 1, 5. 5 times 2, 10. 5 times 3 is what? 15. All right, so that settles that one. And that's how we handle that problem.